If you're seeing the message, your connection to this site is not secure in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually happens because of a temporary connection issue, incorrect date and time settings, corrupted browser cache, SSL problems, or even an extension like a VPN or proxy that's interfering with the connection. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any technical experience. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and fixes just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and fix it. The first thing you should try is simply refreshing the page. Sometimes this error is caused by a temporary SSL handshake problem or a short connection glitch, and a quick refresh is all it takes to load the site properly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R at the same time or use the refresh button in Chrome. Once the page reloads, check whether the secure connection warning is gone. If it is, then the issue was just temporary. If not, don't worry, because we have several more fixes to try. Next, let's fix your date and time. This is one of the most common causes of security certificate warnings. If your computer's clock is incorrect, Chrome may think the website certificate is invalid, even when the website is working fine. To do this, right-click on the clock in the taskbar, then click Adjust Date and Time. In the date and time settings, make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. After that, click Sync Now to immediately update your system time with the correct time from Windows. Once that's done, go back to Chrome and refresh the page again. A wrong time or date can break secure connections, so this step solves the problem very often. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, old or corrupted browser data can interfere with websites and trigger certificate errors. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and also cached images and files. You can leave other options as they are unless you want to clear more browsing data. Then click Delete Data. Once the process finishes, close and reopen Chrome. Then try visiting the website again. Clearing this data can remove broken stored files that are causing the secure connection message. Now, let's clear the SSL state in Windows. Sometimes Windows stores old certificate information, and that can cause Chrome to show security warnings even when the website is fine. To do this, press Windows and S on your keyboard and search for Internet Options. Open it, and when the Internet Properties window appears, go to the Content tab. There you'll see a button called Clear SSL State. Click it, and Windows will remove the stored SSL certificate cache. After that, click OK and reopen Chrome. Try loading the website again to see whether the error has been fixed. This is a very useful step when the browser is refusing to trust the site because of outdated certificate information. If you still haven't solved it, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially VPN tools, security tools, and proxy extensions, can interfere with secure website connections and cause Chrome to show this warning. To manage your extensions, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Extensions and click Manage Extensions. From there, disable any VPN extensions, proxy-related tools, or browser security extensions that could be causing the issue. After turning them off, refresh the page and test the website again. If the site loads normally, then one of those extensions was the problem. You can re-enable them one by one later to find the exact one causing the conflict. And while we're on that topic, if you're using a VPN or proxy outside of Chrome, make sure to turn it off temporarily as well. VPNs and proxies can sometimes route your traffic through servers that affect certificate validation or make the connection appear unsafe. So if you have a VPN app running in the background, disconnect it and then try Chrome again. If you have a proxy enabled in your Windows network settings, turn that off too and test the site once more. At this point, one of these methods should have fixed the problem. To quickly recap, refresh the page first, then correct your date and time, clear Chrome cache and cookies, clear the SSL state in Windows, and finally disable any interfering extensions, VPNs or proxy services. These are the most reliable fixes for your connection to this site is not secure error in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and computer fixes. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing additional advanced fixes if this error still appears after these steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.